Simplify the complex fraction. 1 over the quantity x plus 3 minus 1, all divided by 1 plus 1 over the binomial x plus 3. To simplify this complex fraction, we will multiply the numerator and denominator by the least common denominator. The least common denominator of our numerator and denominator is x plus 3. So we multiply by 1 in the form of x plus 3 over x plus 3. When we do this, we have 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 3, which is 1. And then we have minus 1 times x plus 3, or minus the quantity x plus 3. In our denominator, we have 1 times x plus 3, which is x plus 3, plus 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 3, or plus 1. Now we simplify in the numerator and denominator. We have 1 minus x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 plus 1. We can simplify further to negative x minus 2 over x plus 4.